The world was stunned by the COVID pandemic in March 2020. AIIMS Nagpur went from no inpatient facilities to fully functional COVID intensive care facilities within a record time of 2 weeks. Several social initiatives were taken for mental support of COVID-afflicted families.
The journey of AIIMS Nagpur started with the Prime Minister Honorable Shri Narendra Modi ji laying down the foundation stone in 2017. Since then, a lot has been achieved in a very short time, and this is possible only because of a dedicated, hard-working and innovative team combined with clinical brilliance and academic excellence, making it an institute of national importance. Passion for excellence is what we all strive for. Jai Hind.
AIIMS Nagpur attracts the best brains in the country with a rigorous multi-panel faculty selection process to establish a benchmark for quality healthcare. They are role models for postgraduates and undergraduates who also go through highly competitive selection processes. AIIMS Nagpur drains a population of 2.3 crore. The philosophy of AIIMS Nagpur is to bridge the gap between availability, accessibility and affordability of quality healthcare. Healthcare is futuristic and clinical care ranges from routine to advanced. There are 18 specialty and 16 super specialty departments. Modern medicine requires modern technology. Our team of experts have access to some of the best medical equipments available for effective diagnosis and management. A star team manage the administration efficiently to effect quality healthcare outcomes. Spread over 150 acres of land, the campus is home to 3,000 trees. The hospital building has 960 inpatient oxygen beds, 88 intensive care beds, 23 modular OTs, cath lab, blood bank, dialysis wards, amongst other services. The medical college has a 4-storied academic block and 6-storied lab building, which also houses museums and a high-tech learning resource center. The 750-seated auditorium is a beauty. The 150-bedded Dharamshala that can accommodate outstation patient relatives is a pride. AIIMS Nagpur has invested in environmental technology and been awarded 3 stars by Griha. Well-planned engineering and support facilities ensure that 1,700 kiloliters per day of wastewater is recycled in the campus. 3,000 kilowatts electricity is available as backup in case of power failure, and 7 rooftop solar panels supplement electricity needs. 22,500 litre capacity rainwater harvesting pits are being constructed, and an oxygen generating PSA plant to provide uninterrupted oxygen supply to 700 beds will supplement these 30 kiloliters liquid oxygen tank. Talented doctors, An institutional focus and high-tech facilities inspire serious research, academic growth and innovation.